Hey guys, what's up and welcome to our channel. Recently, I unboxed the Logitech G715 headset that's a part of the Aurora collection, and someone actually commented asking me if I thought that the whole set was worth it for the price. Now, I honestly couldn't speak for the rest of the set as I didn't have the experience that I did with the headset, but today we're going to be changing that. Alright, so this keyboard is the wireless G715 rather than the other model, the wired G713, and it's part of the Aurora collection. It's gaming grade and comes in white mist as well as with a palm rest. So right here we have the palm rest. This is really comfortable as it's made of a soft leather material and shaped like a cute little cloud. And in this box we have the Lightspeed receiver and the USB-C to USB-A cables. Alright, so now we have the actual keyboard itself. Now on the back we have these feet in the corners that can just pop up. And right here is the USB to wirelessly connect the keyboard to a device. These keys are textured and seem to be very durable. And now on the top we have our function keys. The first one being the light speed. Then we have our gaming key that turns off specific keys. And our RGB key to switch through light patterns. Then we have our battery life and caps lock indicators, some more function keys, and our RGB volume scroller. They also included a removable cover piece that you can purchase more of online. As you can tell by the loud noise, I chose clicky GX mechanical switches, and when purchasing you have your choice of linear, tactile, and clicky switches. Linear being the quietest and clicky being the loudest. So right along the edges you can actually see the RGB lighting, and this can be controlled from the G Hub. Alright guys, so overall I'm super happy with the keyboard. I think it's a really nice touch that they added the RGB lighting all around as well as the RGB volume scroller. I think that was a really cute touch as well. Now I also love this palm rest because it's just absolutely adorable and how they shaped it like a cloud. Now I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!